Hello, my name is Tay. I'm a toy photographer and I'm going to show you how I make my photos. This time it will be shots dedicated to the Promised Neverland manga and anime. Making videos is a new thing for me, so please don't judge me harshly. Let's start. The Promised Neverland is a manga series that started in August 2016. It's a thrilling story and whatever I could tell you about it would be a spoiler. Now it's getting an anime adaptation, and I strongly recommend you to check it out. To make main characters from the Promised Neverland, I used these ones. Also, I used sticky stuff I forgot name of. So I started with Emma, Oji's shirt, Hinata's hair, and Mako's skirt and legs. There are different ways to put it all together, but I found it easier to use sticky stuff. Be sure it won't color your figure like plasticine. I tried to make Emma's ahoge and failed. You can still see it on photos, but it's bad. For the boss's hair pieces, I used Sugawara and Kuro from Haikyuu. Then I had to make some cookies. To make cookies in form of a nendo, I used a pattern. I downloaded a picture from Good Smile Company, cropped it and printed at 11 cm high. Before putting cookies in oven, I had to take a first picture. At this time I knew what face plates I wanted to see on the nendos. Emma got Ako's face, Norman got Oji's face, and Ray got Akashi's face. It's time to look at the photo process. To make my photo work, I had to use tripod and fixed focus. In fact, I recommend using tripod all the time in figure photography. Most of the shots are static, and fixed position allows you to use lower ISO and higher exposition. Also, I used white PVC board to put more lights on Emma. After cookies were put in the oven, it was time for the second shot. Norman got another Oji's faceplate. Ray got another Akashi's faceplate. And Emma got Nagisa's faceplate. To be honest, I'm still not sure what I was going for with such an expression. The process behind taking pictures was the same. Take picture of one character. Take him out. Try not to disturb the scene. Assemble another character. Put it on stage. Take a picture. The magic after that involves Photoshop. First I put all shots one over another as layers. Then I create masks and leave only those parts I need. Same technique goes for the second shot. And that's pretty much it. If you want more detailed tutorial on using masks, I have an idea for it, so let me know. And that's all. Thank you for watching. I've been struggling to make a video for a long time, and that's pretty much how I saw it. And nevertheless, I know I didn't go in any details. So maybe you would like me to talk on some specific topic, lighting, Photoshop work, or anything else involved in toy photography. I would be happy to show you how I'm doing it. I'm not a pro and I do mistakes. I'm sure that some of professionals would laugh at my process, but still, I believe that we can learn from one another, and it's much easier to show it to you through YouTube and not on Instagram. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for listening and watching this final part, and I hope you will like it. See you later.